Hi guys, this is Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Shenzhen. Today we are ready to challenge the mapping ability of VSLAM technology in a large scenes. For products of the past, there are two technical difficulties in this kind of scenes. The first one is that map storage requires more resources, and the second one is that it takes a long time for the map owner to finish the map building work. Data generated more and more during building process, causing the storage to be filled up quickly. PuduBot 2, with its optimized memory and disk space, significantly improves the storage capacity of data to meet the mapping and operation of large scenes. After 3 hours, PuduBot 2 has completed a 168,000 square meters mapping work with only one engineer. In the case of the positioning with the ceiling markers, it's just impossible to deploy the ceilings on the 15-meter high roof. The only thing that can compare with VSLAM technology is laser positioning technology. But laser has high requirements on the building environment. People moving during the building process and things temporarily placed in the road will have an impact on the final building, resulting in the positioning loss of robot. Now let's take a look at the ability of Pudu VSLAM technology to be used in large scenarios. This is the first time that PuduBot 2 has completed a 168,000 square meters mapping work, breaking through the previous 30,000 square meters mapping work and completing all the challenges perfectly. So just follow us and see you next time!